Do you want fix crashing in Zenless Zone Zero? Okay, we're going to solve this problem, okay, in PlayStation 5, okay? The first step for the solve this problem, we are going to the settings, okay? We're going to the settings of the PlayStation, okay, and here in the settings of the PlayStation, we are going to the scrolling down, okay, with the joystick and go to the network, okay, the option network, and here in the network, okay, in this the connecting your internet, okay, the option connecting your internet, you have enabled this option, okay. It's important, okay, this option, and you go to the, okay, go to the storage, okay, and here, okay, if you have a storage, okay, you delete if necessary, okay, and this you solve the problem of crashing. Bye bye.